I'm Jaden.
I'm Marissa.
I'm Savannah.
And you're watching The Bold Report.
Good day and welcome to The Bold Report. I'm DK Bold and this is your Wall Street Journal brief. Now on the front page of today's Wall Street Journal, we have investors and shareholders, I should say, are gaining new clout in their ability to direct and influence the businesses with which they have shares in. In this case, basically they have the ability to direct or place directors on corporate boards, and they have more power in that process. Now, this all happened at the Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC, and this was a split decision, a party line, Democrat-Republican party line split vote, and one of the Republicans really denounced this entire process and basically said that it suggests that it's potentially illegal. Now, on the outset, this sounds probably like a good thing. Hey, if you're an investor, you want to be able to have some control. You don't want to have crazy stuff. You know, we had the whole thing with Mark Hurd, and we talked about that with HP. However, what happens when shareholders are part of special interest groups and small minorities that are trying to push a certain agenda for a company? Now it becomes a challenge. And that's what I believe the Republican on this was trying to convey, and I know several large companies are also going to fight this. So this will be one to watch out for. Could have some good things, but overall, I don't think it's a good play. Second up in the marketplace, GE and Hitachi, and GE especially as a laggard in the nuclear push, if you will, building nuclear reactors, they're back at it. GE and Hitachi have teamed up and they're trying to go after new nuclear reactor contracts that are needed to help provide more energy across the United States and other areas. Now, the challenge is GE's been out of the game practically since the 1960s. They started it, they created it, then they were in the lead from it, but really kind of fell out of favor and are now really playing major catch-up. And one of the things that's a challenge is competitors coming to the United States often have better financing available because their governments are being very aggressive in trying to get the business. So could be an interesting play, and we'll see how GE works it out. We're going to skip over the money and investing part. Didn't have anything in there that really grabbed for this Wall Street Journal brief, and move to two other sections. One's personal journal. And this is something just, hey, if you're a technology person or if you're someone that works from home, this is key. Have you ever worked from home and your cell phone can't make a call with it? Well, now there's solutions. Verizon, Sprint, and AT&T have all come out with mini cell towers that you can put in your home. You plug them into your broadband router, they pick up a signal, and then basically allow you to use your phone with virtually great signal if you're near that little tower. Good news, bad news, they work best where you have cell coverage the worst, meaning you need to have really bad cell coverage, virtually none, and that's where they work the best. If there is some, there tends to be a little bit of competition and it doesn't always work out. Also, they cost. They're an added cost. Now, supposedly AT&T is giving a few of these away, but it's very select and on a case-by-case basis. And moving on to small business. Here's an area we have some good news. Entrepreneurs, like all entrepreneurs, they figure it out. Even when the economy is less than dynamic, they figure it out. So how does this work? Well, custom has become customary. What that means is that more and more entrepreneurs are creating niche markets with custom goods as opposed to prepackaged goods or the higher end luxury goods. What happens is consumers are wanting to have the ability to customize their product. It allows them to have some ownership, more ownership to a product that they wouldn't normally have that type of ownership. In a way, this is a great thing for the entrepreneur. It allows them, they don't have to carry huge inventories because everything's customized. Also, for the consumer, now it is more expensive to have a customized good over a packaged good, but many times it's less expensive than a luxury item. So for those that are out there trying to buy the luxury items, they may choose a custom item that's fit specifically for them but is less expensive. Well, that's your Wall Street Journal brief for today. Again, find your passions and you have a great day.